Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to do holographic referencing. As you can see, there's an Excel workbook here with 5 tabs. 4 of them are the individual project, and the first one is a summary of all of the projects. So this is a very common issue in the office, and this is the best way I've made use of it. With holographic referencing, you're able to apply changes to all the tabs at one time instead of one at a time. So in order to do that, you're going to click the very first tab in your range. You're going to hold shift, and then you're going to click the last tab in your range. So in this instance, I just want to delete this column, and this column, and I'm going to delete it. As you can see, there's only one column left in every single one of the tabs. This also works well with formulas. If you want to add, say, 10 to each tab, you would just put 10 and you could do a sums formula. And as you can see, it added 10 to each one of the tabs. And if you want to undo the holographic referencing, you can click another tab, and then you're set to do it again. This has been very useful for me in my career, and I think a lot of people can get a lot of good use out of this, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Have a nice day.